Hey, it's me again, LouiseLynn84. I did that other video. I'm gonna post it up here in a minute. But I'm gonna burp for you all if I can burp. Ow. Oh, I'm gonna show you how fat my cat is. Hold on. Leo! Dude, we gotta show everybody how fat you are. Oh my god, yes. This is the world's grumpiest cat, too. He's saying hi, by the way, when he goes, what? What? You're on camera, look. That's you. Yes, that's you. Leo, look at the camera. Don't tell me no. You're just a grump. What, you don't want to be on camera? See what I mean about him? He is grumpy. Oh, quit it. Look. Looky. You're on camera. See? Don't tell me no. What? More? No. Oh, it's okay. What? What? You're so grumpy. You want a bath? You want a bath, you grumpy man? No. No. Yes. Leo. You want a bath? I'm just holding him and he gets grumpy like this. You want to hiss at the camera? You're grumpy. Yes, you are. I'm just holding you and showing the world, everybody you. Don't tell me no. Are you shy? Oh, you grumpy. Come here, you're grump. You grumpy man. Well, that's Leo, Mr. Grump. Leo, come here again, one more time. Come here. Kitty. Come here. Oh. You're not getting a bath. See? Now who said you're gonna get a bath? Not me, I didn't say it. I just said the word bath. I didn't say I was giving you a bath. Yeah, he's so grumpy. Oh, and he likes to nibble or bite. Don't you dare say no. Okay, you grump. Sheesh. You're grumpy. Well, that's my cat Leo. And this is me, Louise Lynn 84. Logging out. See ya. Have a great day.